Alright, so it is a great day. The replacement part for the tail section of the Jetmads 148 P2 Neptune came in today. And no, it did not come with this broken half. It took me a good 20 minutes to figure out, and cutting, how to get into this box. It was so well wrapped. And I say, if you remember the egg drop competitions from elementary school, this so far looks like it would do a pretty dang good job in that competition. So I'm going to break open the box here, and we're going to pull out the piece so we can take a look. It sat in customs for a few days, and the funny thing is, I was actually getting ready to call the post office asking what's going on, because it was sitting idle in customs, and just sat there and sat there and sat there. And then all of a sudden today, about 5 minutes, I was like, I'm gonna make the phone call around lunchtime if it doesn't change or anything. So, and then right before I call, I get an email saying that a package is out for delivery, and this was the only one that I was waiting on. So it's here, and now I can finally continue on. So it was very, very nicely wrapped. So kudos to Jetmads for that. And the first breakage is not on them either, because the packing, the original packing in the kit is top notch. So I don't know how the post office managed to break it, and especially break it that bad. But yeah, so many kudos to Jetmads for the original packing, and also the packing that they did for the replacement part. So taking a quick look at this again, even now with all the cracks and all that, this is just absolutely amazing. The fine detail. Yes, the panel lines seem a little bit heavy for the scale, but I'm okay with that. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, and especially when you get a paint on it and a wash in it, it's not going to look bad at all. So, and then, yeah, just, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this rivet detail. We'll try zooming in a little bit. And, yeah, you can kind of see it. Let's see if I can get a backdrop in there that will change it. Oh, yeah, there we go. Yeah, you can see the nice, fine rivet detail in there. That's so nice. And the vents on here are micro thin, and those survived as well. So then the interior, there's not much. Blank interior, you're not going to be able to see much into these windows anyway, so I'm not really too worried about that. But yeah, I'm super stoked that this finally came in. I think I've been waiting for about two and a half weeks for it to come in. And yeah, so now we can get rocking and rolling on the Neptune. The only thing I have to do on the Neptune is attach the glass for here and here, and then attach the horizontal and vertical stabilizers, the Mad Boom, and a couple lumps and bumps and antennas that go on the back here, and then sandwich this onto the rest of the model, and then we are ready for paint after I mask off the glass back here. So I'm gonna pull out. I put the Neptune on standby in the box while I was waiting for this kit, so I'm gonna pull it back out and get back to it. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, stay frosty, my friends.